Welcome to my channel, hope you all are doing great. Visiting a professional for facial and cleansing treatments can be very beneficial, but it can also be quite expensive. To save yourself from this unnecessary expense, you can do facial treatments at home. For homemade facial ideas, make sure to watch this video until the end. So without wasting time, let's get started. First step. Buy a small steam machine, and if it is not available, then soak a towel in hot water and wring it out. Place it on your face for a little while. This will open up the pores. After that, rub your face to clean it. To gently rub your face, you can use a sponge. Second step. Any cold cream or moisturizing lotion you have at home to massage your face and neck with your fingers. If neither of these is available, you can use yogurt instead. Then use tissue paper to clean your face. Cleansing not only removes the accumulated dirt from your face and neck, but also cleanses all the dead skin cells from your skin. Third step. Take 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour, the juice of 1 lemon, and 4 crushed almonds, and mix them with milk. Gently massage this mixture onto your face and also apply it to your neck. After 10 minutes, wash your face and neck. Fourth step. Take 1 tablespoon of multani clay, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and mix them together. Apply this mixture to your face and neck for 10 minutes. After it dries, wash it off with cold water. You will see how your complexion brightens and your skin will look clean, healthy, fresh, and glowing. You should avoid talking during the mask. I hope this video was very helpful for you. Now please excuse me. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.